Hello everyone. In today's video, we're diving into another important everyday conversation topic. Whether you're chatting with friends, discussing current events, or navigating daily situations, it's crucial to have the right vocabulary and grammar tools at your fingertips. Let's explore today's topic together and enhance our conversational skills. Let's begin. Everyday conversations mastery, essential language practices. Vocabulary. Let's listen to the words and match them to their meanings together. Strengths, weaknesses, experience, qualifications, confidence, adaptability, dependable, motivation, collaboration, problem solving. Working together with others effectively, trustworthy and reliable. The desire to work towards a goal. The ability to adjust to new conditions. Credentials, degrees, or certifications related to a job. Positive attributes or skills a person has. The ability to find solutions to challenges. Previous involvement in a field or activity. Areas where a person may lack skill or needs improvement. A feeling of self-assurance. Quick grammar reminder. Let's carefully examine the grammar points before moving on to the conversation scene. Past perfect. This tense describes an action that was completed before another action in the past. Structure. Subject plus had plus past participle. Example: I had prepared my resume before the interview. Indirect questions. Indirect questions help make inquiries sound more polite, especially in formal situations like interviews. These questions begin with introductory phrases, such as "Could you tell me?" "Do you mind?" "What would you say?" "I'd love to know." "Do you know?" "Would you mind?" or "Can you explain?" etc., followed by the question phrase in statement form. Structure. Introductory phrase plus question phrase in statement form. Example: Could you tell me about your strengths? Can you explain how this software works? Would you mind telling us what you see yourself doing in 5 years? Scene. Charlotte meets with an interviewer to discuss her qualifications and career goals during a formal interview. Let's pay close attention as we listen to the conversations.
Good morning, Charlotte. I'd like to start by asking you a bit about your experience and qualifications. Could you tell me about a recent project you've completed?
Of course. In my previous role, I had collaborated with a team to develop a new marketing campaign. We focused on social media engagement, which increased our reach by 20%. My problem-solving skills played a big part in achieving those results.
That sounds impressive. What would you say is one of your strengths?
I believe my adaptability and dependability are among my strongest attributes. I can handle unexpected change well, and my team knows they can rely on me even in high-pressure situations.
Those are valuable qualities. How about a weakness?
I'd say I sometimes take on too much. However, I'm working on building more confidence in prioritizing tasks and setting boundaries to balance my workload better.
Great to hear. And what motivates you in your work?
I'm driven by the opportunity to learn and grow. Each project presents new challenges and a chance to refine my skills, which keeps my motivation high.
That's fantastic, Charlotte. Your approach to learning and your problem-solving mindset are impressive. Thank you for sharing.
Questions section. Let's review what we've learned. Read the sentences below and fill in the blanks correctly. 1. Before the interview, Maria blank, research the company's background to be well prepared. 2. By the time Henry reached the office, he blank, prepare all his documents carefully. 3. The hiring manager asked if I blank, complete any relevant certifications. 4. Before applying for this position, Bella blank, gain 3 years of experience in a similar role. 5. Jane and Mike blank, leave the office before the email was sent. Let's practice some more. Read the sentences and fill in the blanks correctly. 1. Could you share blank, why or what you enjoy most about working in teams? 2. Do you mind explaining blank, how or when you manage challenging tasks? 3. Could you tell me blank, what or why your favorite hobby is? 4. I'd love to know blank, why or if he's interested in photography. 5. Do you know blank, where or when she started learning Spanish? That's it for today's conversation topic. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using these phrases and grammar points in your daily conversations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more language tips and practice. Thank you for listening. See you in the next video.